This is how we conduct groundbreaking research that benefits the world we live in. This is where we learn how to shape our buildings so one day they shape us. This is how we develop new materials for a sustainable future. This is how we educate our students so they educate the world. This is how we turn challenges into opportunities. This is how we are redefining what's possible. Sterling Global University, declared as state-private university under UGC Act 1956, is situated in the Steel City of India, Hisar. The university supports and celebrates a diverse community where students from 10 nationalities come together each day to learn and live alongside one another. Sterling Global University is home to School of Engineering and Technology, Management and Finance, Architecture and Fine Arts, School of Paramedical Sciences, Applied Sciences, Agricultural Sciences, Humanities, School of Legal Studies, Pharmaceuticals, Yoga and Naturopathy, Media and Journalism, and School of Hospitality Management.
OSGU is an forward-thinking university. We aim to provide our students high quality and career-related education. We have empaneled some of the most respectable academicians as our faculty.
The value of degree at OSGU is enhanced by our cutting edge and internationally recognized research that benefits our students enormously.
If you find yourself fascinated by architecture and want to put your creative skills to work, Sterling Global University School of Architecture and Fine Arts is for you. Here you will learn the theory and technical skills needed to design the environment around you.
I chose the architecture program because of the unique balance in creative, artistic and technical aspects of design offered here at the Sterling Global University. Our expert mentors create a deep understanding of materials, their properties and technical capabilities. With expert lab facilities, we keep testing and exploring new ideas using a blend of traditional workshops and modern tools and techniques. The excellent placement record of the university is a great support.
The School of Paramedical Sciences provides you with firm grounding in the knowledge and skills needed for this intense, fast-paced profession.
I feel very proud to say that I chose paramedics at OSGU. The fine line between life and death depends on quick and timely assistance, and we are learning how to deal with medical and traumatic emergencies. The faculty is very experienced in their field, and that help us to build up our knowledge with practical experiences. The university has exceeded my expectations.
At Sterling Global University, we provide more than just education.
At the School of Pharmaceuticals, we are committed to educating the next generation of leaders in pharmacy, pharmaceutical research and healthcare, while seeking to ensure the safe, rational and cost-effective use of medicines. Sterling Global University School is one of the leading colleges of agricultural, food, life and natural resource sciences. We are committed to preparing our students to make a difference, stretching the frontiers of science to find solutions to some of our most pressing local and global challenges.
There is nothing more important than feeding the world. Agriculture Sciences at Sterling Global University was my calling. State-of-the-art academic facilities and resources fascinated me. With everything from modern labs in botany, microbiology, agronomy, greenhouse, to even farms, we are well equipped to experiment. Our teachers are very supportive. They discuss opportunities with us and also involve us in the things they do.
The Sterling Global University The OSGU School of Legal Studies covers a wide range of law and legal system, opening doors to numerous career prospects. The classes are led by respected researchers, giving students ample opportunity for discussion. The Faculty of Applied Science and Engineering is a leading community of researchers and students dedicated to solving today's challenges through collaborative research and experiential education in STEM programs.
I found OM Sterling Global University as the perfect platform to pursue my distinctive choice of program in forensic science. The mock crime scene lab in the campus truly prepares us for the real-world forensic situations. The lab experience, the curriculum, everything here is so apt that I am 100% confident of my future as a forensic analyst.
The School of Management and Finance is dedicated to impart a high-quality business education along with a unique, active learning environment and a wealth of hands-on experience. The multidisciplinary program at School of Media and Journalism is focused on training the next generation of reporters through hands-on investigative journalism projects. The School of Hospitality Management at OSGU provides the most relevant, groundbreaking hospitality business education. At OM Sterling Global University, we believe that we are in the midst of an era where change, innovation and new technologies are driving the way we experience life.
Engineering always fascinated me. OM University, with its various resources, has so much to offer in terms of hand-on training and research workshop. As someone who was living away from home, the support of seniors and batchmates on campus was crucial to doing well, and I received it all. If you have similar apprehension, stay rest assured.
At the School of Yoga and Naturopathy, our students align their passion for yoga and naturopathic medicine to prepare themselves for a field that is guiding the way of the future. Sports is a key part of the OSGU experience. Excellent sporting facilities are available right on the campus. Alongside, there is a calendar of lively social events. The excellent placement record of the university is a testimony in itself. Through rigorous training and unparalleled extracurricular and professional experience opportunities, we prepare the next generation of leaders and change makers to unlock the future's boundless potential. We are a beacon of hope. We are a catalyst for change. We are aiming for higher. We are redefining what's possible. We are OM Sterling Global University.